है तुझे मेरा जिगर जला तो ट्रिगर दबेगा गोली चलेगी काबू मोहरा भी मेरा बाजी भी मेरी मैं मेरे जैसी तू तेरे जैसा क्यों मैं करूँ वो जो हो फैशन तेरा मेरा सफर है मेरा रास्ता मेरी जिम्मेदारी
Okay, I request we can have the photo sessions later on. I request Preeti, Devika and Abhay to kindly take their seats. Is it working with Abhay?
How is it? It was horrible.
Horrible, okay. Define horrible and why horrible. It's working, it's working.
Is it working? Yeah, okay. No, it wasn't horrible. It was great. It was a lot of fun. It was great. It was a lot of fun. Everything went really smoothly. Yeah, it was great.
And now I've learned that you in the movie are an aspiring dancer. Now there's some great dance moves that you've performed. So tell us about your extensive dance routine that you had to follow and what special did you do to actually come up with such beautiful dance in the movie?
Well, Samara's been dancing since she was 4 years old. So it's not your typical Bollywood type of dancing. It was like ballet and jazz. So yeah, before the film started, I started training 5 months prior, every day in ballet and jazz. And hopefully I'll be convincing enough as a dancer in the film.
No, trust me, the promos look absolutely stunning. Now moving down to Devika, now very simple question. Are you great friends with Abhay? So tell us, how was your experience shooting with Abhay and Preeti? And, you know, because the promos look absolutely killer. When you watch them, everybody was, they were having a chat that the direction looks superb. Everybody's waiting to watch the movie. So tell us about your experience for 1x2.
Working with Abhay was basically, we've known each other for 10 years. So it was like a sibling relationship, you know, it's like brother and sister. We fight like that, you know, and we make up like that. So it was really easy. We've been speaking the same film language for such a long time. We like the same kind of films. So with him, it was really easy. With Preeti, we had a great pre-shoot bonding experience where we worked one-on-one on the script. So we got to know each other as people, as actor, director. So it was brilliant. Smooth sailing.
I've been paid to ask this question.
What?
I've been paid to ask one question. Is that, do Abhay and Preeti justify the role that you've been given, that, you know, you actually wanted them to portray in the movie? Do they justify that role?
I know Abhay to be a bigger brat than he is in the film, so I wish he had been more real in terms of that, in terms of his bratty, spoiled self. But Preeti's definitely justified her role. She's mature and independent.
So 10 years friendship comes to this, that
Yes,
he could have been
he's a
a better
brat.
brat.
See how grateful they are, no?
And now, Abhay, asking you, now this is one of your first movie as a producer. So how was it producing your very own movie?
It's been actually a really great experience. You know, to make the film actually was the easiest part. I contacted Devika, then had the script developed. I had a co-producer who got in a studio. Then I have a partner in my company who's actually standing way back there. He's there, the bearded man, who basically made it happen. So as a team, I think I had a really good team backing me up. I did my bit, Sanjay, my partner, did his bit, Amit Kapoor, and then Viacom. So it's been a dream run. I can't complain.
And also, now this movie, you're an artist. You like to doodle around a lot. Now the movies that you've done previously, you've done Devdi, you've done a lot of serious movies, a lot of action. I can't say action, but a lot of serious movies you've done with Hrithik Roshan and all these stars. Now, what is different in this movie, and what should the people look out for when they go to see this movie?
This one, it's in the line of most of the work I've done, which is, you know, a film that would be dressed up with all, you're dressed up in an entertaining fashion. So like in our movies, you know, music and dance play a very crucial role. So I tend to have a lot of that put in then as part of the packaging. But as far as the content is concerned, as far as the plot is concerned, it's content that will be original. You know, something that you haven't seen before.
Fabulous. And one question, see, I belong to this age group of 22 to 25. I just wanted to ask this because everywhere you go, you heard this song, I'm just fuck out. What made you come up with that song?
This person came up with that song, I would imagine. That's a question for Devika.
Yeah, then why don't you answer it?
Maybe people tell her that a lot.
No, there's a certain amount of angst that I wanted to portray in the song, frustrations of daily life, frustrations of career. You know, so it's something that I talked about with Amitabh Bhattacharya, and he just completely got it. It's all credit to him. I'm just Pakaut Picha Dukhaut.
Fab. And one last question before we, since this is the merchandise launch for Bewkoof.com, now you've been doodling a lot in the movie, and they've actually incorporated your doodling on their t-shirts. They sell some fabulous merchandises online. So for the people here, it's www.bewkoof.com. You can buy exclusive merchandises there. So tell us, how did you feel that your doodling and your artistic work is now being printed on a t-shirt and being sold, all across?
You know, actually, I've had a history with doodles and t-shirts. I used to do storyboards for ads when I was around 17. Then I did do t-shirts way back in 2000, actually. I was in the Goa flea market selling them. This is my pre-film career. So Devika knew that, of course, and I'd made enough doodles of her for long enough for her to say, okay, let's use your doodling for the film as well. And I said, sure. That's how it came about in the movie, and then now this tie-up with Bewkoof.com, which is great. For me, it's an experiment again. I've done this in the past, and if it does well, then I would probably do t-shirts, in collaboration either with a Bewkoof or anybody else to sell outside of, an association with my film. These are associated with my movie.
And what do you like to do more? Do you like to, your pre-film things that you used to do in the flea market in Goa, did you enjoy that more, or did you enjoy working in films more?
I just enjoyed what I did in the moment, whatever it may have been. So I enjoyed making the t-shirts and selling in the market as much as I enjoyed making movies, but obviously my passion is primarily film more than t-shirts.
Fabulous. And with this, I would like to...
I'm a co-founder of Bewkoof.com. So Bewkoof is India's one of the coolest brand of India, a youth brand, and we are very excited about this project for having Abhay on board with us, because we believe he's one of the biggest youth icon of the country. So it's a good match for us.
Not only that, but my parents have always called me Bewkoof. So it's perfect.
Yeah.
Think outside the box, think outside.
ऐसी जवानी पे लानत है, बंदा हूँ या पैजामा हूँ, I'm just Pakaut, Picha Dukhaut, Pakaut, Piga ke Sukhaut, Ragada ke Kisaut, Pigla ke Jamaut, I'm just Pakaut.
Think outside the box, think outside the box, think outside the box. तो साला बॉक्स ही 20 फुट साले होल में है, तो फिर तुम उसमें से क्या भाग मार निकलोगे?
कछुए को जूता पहन के, सूट टाई में बन ठन के, बोलो कभी देखा है, तो आओ देखो मुझे गौर से। मैं जो करता हूँ, उल्टा पड़ता है, भेजा सड़ता है, सड़ गया। I'm just Pakaut, Picha Dukhaut. के दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के चली गई ले गई ये गई वो गई टाटा किया दूर से मैं वो बकरा हूँ जो जिंदा कटता है सूली चढ़ता है चढ़ गया I'm just buggered.
Thank you so much. Now we would love to open the floor for a couple of question and answers. If you want to ask Abhay, Preeti or Devika any questions, please feel free to ask. That is this Friday, so almost 2 days to go. And one question I almost forgot to ask is 2 more days before your movie hits the screen. Feeling?
Right now, yeah, with all the marketing and running around that I'm doing, I have no time for any feeling. I only have time to catch up to what has not been done.
So wishing you all the best for your movie 1 by 2. And anybody here who wants to ask a question from the media? Yes, we got a mic.
Well, Abhay, you're looking great, man. You're looking great.
यार hello अभी please hello हम excuse me photographers हम हमेशा cooperate करते हैं आपके साथ करते हैं नहीं जब आप बोलती है यहाँ खड़ो करते हैं नहीं अभी हमें questions पूछ रहे हैं लोग प्लीज अभी हमारी भी बात सुनकर हमें कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर करने दो फिर आप वापस शुरू हो जाना इसको भी एक दोस्त मिल गई है अभी yeah wow anyways ask.
Wow, yeah, anyway. So, Abhay, we have been watching you acting on the screen with the other directors and producer. Now you are a producer, so you are the owner of the movie itself, should say. So how different is working as a producer and as an actor?
You get how different is it? Yeah, because I'm the producer on my own film, I can't throw tantrums anymore on set.
Yeah, I mean, it's just कितनी liberty मिलती है as a producer and being an actor.
Producer, I mean, अलग-अलग responsibilities होती है ना. Marketing, budget, distribution, वगैरह वगैरह. I mean, as an actor, ये सब questions तो वैसे भी हम पूछ ही लेते क्योंकि हमारे भी interest है कि हमारी film audience तक पहुँचे. But उस पर कोई control नहीं रहता है हमारा. As a producer, आप और भी कुछ कर सकते हैं. I think as a producer आप sacrifices ज़्यादा करते हैं as compared to as an actor. तो जो भी बाटर में मिल रहा है वो हम ले लेते हैं जहाँ पे भी प्लेटफॉर्म ज़्यादा बड़ा मिल रहा है वहाँ आ जाते हैं तो एक ज़्यादा कमिटमेंट दे सकते हैं हम एज प्रोड्यूसर एक्टर बट इट्स ए टफ जॉब दोनों साथ करना आसान नहीं है इनफैक्ट मैं तो चाहूँगा कि मैं अलग एक दूसरे प्रोड्यूसर के लिए एक्ट करूँ और एक दूसरे एक्टर को अपने प्रोडक्शन में काम दूँ ये मेरे लिए आइडियल होगा
Well, Preeti, her name is Preeti, no? So,
Hi.
I guess this is your first movie?
No, this is my second.
Okay. So, just could you just please tell something about your role and how was it just working with Abhay? Since he is the producer, he is the owner. I mean to say, how much he was just he was just holding on the script and all that. How much he was कितना interruption रहता था उनका जो है.
So what he means is.
Oh, okay. How much did he interrupt? He didn't interrupt at all. The good thing about Abhay is he lets the director do her thing, and equally with me as well. He just give me my space and let me do my thing really. So that was great. A little bit about my character. I played the role of Samara Patel, and she's been dancing since she was really little. So she's moved back to India from abroad, and the reason you'll see in the film. And she's very passionate. She's ambitious, and you see her journey through the film, and you see how she's. How people at one point get stuck and they're wondering what is going on in life. She hits that point, and then you see if she actually climbs out of that box or not.
Abhay, hi, here, Pooja.
Hi.
Abhay, as a producer आप पहली बार काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन काफ़ी कुछ आपने फेस भी किया पहली बार ही तो अब आपकी फिल्म इस फ्राइडे रिलीज भी हो रही है तो क्या आपको क्या लगता है कि जो प्रमोशन के लिए टाइम इतना कम मिला है तो उसके वजह से फिल्म पर कोई इफेक्ट पड़ेगा उसका
म्यूजिक अभी रिलीज हुआ है और हम सब जानते हैं कि म्यूजिक कितनी मायने रखता है एक बॉलीवुड फिल्म की मार्केटिंग के लिए तो मेरे पास सिर्फ 5 दिन ही मिले हैं इन टोटल रेडियो प्ले के लिए। मुझे अभी पता चला है कि iTunes पे फाइनली म्यूजिक लॉन्च हो चुका है, लेकिन अगर आप सर्च करें तो आपको दिखेगा, फ्रंट पेज पे नहीं दिखता है। पर कम से कम आ तो गया है, तो वहाँ पे शायद कुछ असर पड़ा होगा या नहीं होगा, मैं श्योरली कह नहीं सकता हूँ आपको, वो तो फ्राइडे को मालूम पड़ेगा मुझे। मैंने एक स्टैंड ज़रूर लिया है। आई थिंक मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था, एज अ प्रोड्यूसर मैं एक मुद्दे के बीच में फंस गया था, मैंने अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बता भी दिया और अपना स्टैंड भी लिया। उसका फ़ायदा ही हुआ है जितना सपोर्ट मुझे पूरी इंडस्ट्री से मिला है, मतलब कि म्यूजिशियन से, रेडियो स्टेशंस वाले जो हैं, टीवी चैनल्स वाले हैं, जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट दिया, वो इंस्पिरेशन मिली, तो कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा तो निकला ही है उससे। मगर जब सारी म्यूज़िक कंपनी, सिर्फ एक ही नहीं, सारी म्यूज़िक कंपनीज, प्रोड्यूसर्स गिल्ड और म्यूजिशियंस एक टेबल पर बैठकर एक हल निकालेंगे, तब ही इसका कुछ फ़ायदा निकलेगा। क्योंकि ये मुद्दा मेरी फिल्म के बारे में नहीं है, ये ज़्यादा बड़ा मुद्दा है, फिल्म से भी बड़ा है। अब मेरी फिल्म के साथ क्या होगा, अब हम जितना कर सकते हैं कर रहे हैं, कम से कम हम अपनी म्यूज़िक को अपने आप एक्सप्लॉइट भी कर सकते हैं, तो हमारा लिमिटेशन नहीं है। अब आगे जाके देखेंगे इसका कितना फ़ायदा निकला है, और फिल्म के ऊपर भी डिपेंड होता है वो कैसी फिल्म है, रिव्यूज़ कैसे आते हैं। सो लेट्स सी, होपफुली सब अच्छा ही जाएगा, मैं पॉजिटिव हूँ।
अभय, डू यू बिलीव एनी पब्लिसिटी इज गुड पब्लिसिटी? बिकॉज आपके केस में बहुत क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि नेगेटिव भी हुई पब्लिसिटी तो भी काफी आई कैचिंग थी, लोग नोटिस कर रहे हैं आपको।
Any publicity is better than no publicity. I can tell you that much. I am not of the belief that any publicity is good publicity. I'm one of the last people to do that. In fact, मैं publicity कम ही करता, मेरा PR इतना ज़्यादा होता नहीं है, और मैं थोड़ा शाय हूँ मीडिया से, तो मैं कम करता हूँ और कंट्रोवर्सी से दूर भागता हूँ मैं। यहाँ पे मैंने खुद अपने आप पे ले ली थी वो बात, और मैंने क्यों किया था, क्योंकि मेरा बिलीफ था कि some publicity is better than no publicity. And that I definitely stand by. कि some publicity is good, better than no publicity. इतना मैं कह सकता हूँ।
Abhay, at the same time that you were facing this problem, Shekhar Suman faced a similar plight with Heartless, where his music also was not released. But he kind of chose a different stand. He went ahead and replaced the singers. Very contrary to what you did.
Yeah, but that's exactly what the point I'm trying to prove, is that whether, even if the issue is on the surface between the companies and the musicians, producers will continue to be affected by it. And then it's really up to the producer how he wants to go ahead from there. And it's a very difficult place to be in. So whatever Shekhar Suman may have chosen to do, whatever I chose to do, we did that for the interest of our movie. Because we have put in our time, effort, money, reputation at stake. And like I said, this is a big issue, larger than any one producer. So as individuals, we have to do what is necessary for our movie, and you have to respect whatever the producer chooses to do, because it's not a very easy position to be in to begin with. So we do what we need to. So Shekhar did what he needed to, I did what I needed to.
Okay, and if we can just understand where we stand right now, because I do know that Viacom put out a statement saying that the matter was resolved. So from your end, where does it stand right now?
The matter for 1x2 is resolved, and by that I mean to say the music rights have been transferred now to Crescendo and Unisys. So Crescendo will be distributing the CDs, the physical, which I hope is hit the market by today. It's very short-term, notice that they have got it in. And Unisys will be doing the digital release, which is, like I just told you, it's audioandghana.com. It's on iTunes now, and I'm sure all the other platforms may also be hosting the music, so you can buy it now. So the fact that we were allowed to take our rights back and exploit it is the only solution Viacom and I could come up with, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful that the music company allowed us to do that.
Just one last question before we wrap up the Q&A session. Yes, one. That's not a question, my friend. Yes. Sir, how many questions are you asking? Okay, one question, last question for you.
So Devika, as it is a big director-producer said that actors are the workers for the director. Actors are the worker for the director. So this time actor, Mr. Abhay, he himself is the producer, means like owner. So
how can you be a worker and an owner at the same time? Or how was it to do that?
So how much you made him work on your instructions and all that? कितना उन्होंने follow किया आपके according to you?
Yeah, basically, during the entire shoot, Abhay did not perform the role of the producer. That he left to his partners in Cynoja and IE Films and Viacom 18. And on set, he was only allowed to be an actor, so that he could concentrate on his craft.
Fabulous. With that, I wish you all the best for 1x2, and I think it's going to be a massive hit. Do not forget to catch the movies on the 31st of Jan. That's a Friday. And do not forget to log on to www.bewakoof.com to get your very own 1x2 t-shirts exclusively on.
बोलो कभी देखा है तो आओ देखो मुझे गौर से मैं जो करता हूँ
सर राइट में नहीं देखिए आप सर सामने सर राइट में राइट जी सामने नीचे थोड़ा सा
Pleasure.
ये बोथ ऑफ यू सर सेंटर सर राइट में नीचे सर सामने सर सर सामने एकदम सर सेंटर अबे सर सामने